Hello, we are Weifang KM Electronics Company Limited, a beauty and medical manufacturer since 2009. How should we choose a good supplier for best machine quality, best price, and timely after-sales service? After doing lots of research at beauty exhibition, e-commercial website, or by Google, all suppliers are telling you their machine quality is best, their price is best. But how can you know the really difference between them? To be honest, this is really not enough time in this 3 minutes video for me to compare. But I will give you 4 things to consider when you look into buy a most suitable laser machine. Do not compare a laser machine by its specifications, because it's misleading if you are not really familiar with the machine technical stuff. Normally, they think the high power, high number of the specifications means the machine is wonderful. But do you really think that can meet your requirement? The second thing to consider is do not buy cheap price machine. Do not buy overpriced machine. Buy a machine in a middle price with good value. I will share with you how to buy a real good price machine. The third thing to consider is do not buy from trading company. As you might know, this aesthetic machine needs timely and professional service and good training. A real manufacturer will give you professional technical support and online training, and can also help you solve any problem with their engineering team. I will let you know how to find a real factory. The last but also very important thing to consider is don't buy the machine without FDA approval, medical C approval, TGE approval, MDL approval, etc. Do you know why? Contact us to get all this full information.